A very good morning to all. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the effect of the change in the temperature stresses which is caused in the suspension cable, and we derive these three formulas. Okay, so and solve one numerical based on this. So now we are calculating one more numerical, solving one more numerical to find out the change in the horizontal tension. In this numerical, cable is supported at the same level on either side end of the 140 meter horizontal span, that is L is given 140 meter and the D is equal to 14 meter. The value of the P, that is 15 kilonewton per meter. Okay, and we have to calculate the change in the horizontal tension when the T is given, that is temperature 20 degrees centigrade, and the linear expansion, that is alpha, is given also. Okay, so we given all this value and we have to calculate the change in the horizontal span. So firstly we know the formula for the calculation of horizontal thrust, that is H is equal to PL square upon 8D. So we calculate by using this formula. H is 2625 kilonewton. Okay guys, by putting the value of P, L and D which is given in the question, so we calculate the horizontal thrust, that is 2625 kilonewton. Now we know the formula for the change in the horizontal tension is equal to minus 3L square alpha T upon 16D square multiplied by H, which is the change in the horizontal tension. Okay guys, so by using this formula we put the value of here L and D alpha TH from the question, and we calculate just delta H is equal to minus 5.512 kilonewton. Okay, so the reduction in the horizontal tension will be minus 5.512 kilonewton. Minus sign indicate that it is decreases or the increases. Okay, so this is about a numerical based on the calculation of the change in the horizontal tension. Okay, so this is also very important case. You can see from there. It's a very easy method, but you should remember the formulas, because without formula you cannot solve it. Maybe 5 marks question will be arises from this topic. Or the question arises in the terms of we have to calculate the linear expansion if the change in the horizontal tension is given, horizontal span is given, dip is given, temperature is given, and the horizontal thrust is also given. Then we have to calculate only linear expansion alpha. You can also calculate by putting all the values. It's just like the formula based question, guys. Okay, thank you class. So we complete the unit number 4, cable and the suspension bridge. So in the next class we will start a new unit. Okay, thank you class.